I don't know if y'all caught that, but y'all see how, like, even with me just trying to adjust it, like, baby, this spray.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashion Siesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. But you know, on the hair tip, I know y'all see the title of the video, and I'm here, the weave queen herself is here to give the verdict on little Miss Ebin, I don't know how you pronounce the brand name, but we here to give our verdict on the Wonder Lace Bond Spray. Let me just say, if you are someone who is on a budget, I know it can be very expensive to get a wig made or to buy a wig, but personally, I feel like that is the best investment for someone who is trying to save money long term. And here's why. Whenever you get these lace glue applications, I know the girls like to lie and say, oh, an install lasts every, 2 to 4 weeks. Sometimes it don't even last that long if you guys are super active like me. I'm back in the gym. So doing this glueless method is very, very, very ideal for me because not only can I work out and be able to wash and cleanse my braids, I can pop my wig on and give it a very good, sturdy install with just one product. If you guys are watching this video, more than likely it is because you do wear wigs. I will have the links to all the specs for this hair in my description box. If you guys are looking to get a wig made, I do make custom wigs. So if you guys are looking for a very quick and friendly way to lay and melt your lace, keep watching. I'm gonna show y'all how I go through and get this hair laid. Well, at least how I use the spray to tack it down. So yeah, keep watching.
So y'all already know from the intro and obviously the title of this video what we getting into today. Your girl is finally back in her wigs. Can I hear some commotion for the wig? She is back. I don't know if you guys remember her, but this was my wig from my birthday in 2020. Let me tell y'all something. Even though I own my own hair company, Shop by Vivant Tresses, I do not believe in wasting hair. Good hair is not cheap, and if I spend, $300, $400, $500 on some hair and then have to pay to get a wig made on top of that, I'm gonna make it last forever, keep sweat, you feel me? So I've had this wig literally since April of 2020. As you guys know, it's clearly already October of 2021 and she is still in good condition. I just need to replace the lace, but as far as the luster on the hair, its ability to hold a curl, all of that good stuff, we are still intact. I actually have another video coming up showing you guys how I camouflage some effed up lace because it needs some repair. Like I'm literally ordering a new piece to replace this closure within the next week. So yeah, let's get to the real reason why you guys came here. This Ebin's or Ebin's, I'm not sure how the brand pronounces their name, but this spray I have seen everywhere. My good sis Tasha Washer here on YouTube, or Natasha S, she has sworn by this hairspray. You guys know, if you are subscribed to Tasha, Tasha is killing the wig game. If you are not, make sure you check out Tasha's channel. It's Natasha S, and more than likely something with a wig will pop up or some bomb makeup. So again, make sure you guys check my girl. She has been ranting and raving about this spray. I've seen a lot of people talk about it on social media, on Twitter, all that other stuff, and I'm like, you know what, let me try it. This was supposed to be a first impressions video. However, the video that I did film, the quality of the video was great, but I need to, get ready to get a new laptop and my graphics card not that fast. So the video was really choppy. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna scrap it and I'll just do a video. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the lace, meaning putting my foundation in it, because I definitely don't want to spray it with my lace tint right now because I don't have time to wait for it to dry. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lace for application, and I'll be back on screen when it's time for me to demonstrate how I use this product in the glueless wig. Now that I have the wig on, in position where I want it to be at. Spray right on up in here in these temples. Now, one thing I will say from using this for the first time, this stuff dries fast. So if you are looking for something that's not going to take forever to dry down, got to be, this is that girl. Now try to make sure I just use just a little bit because I don't want it to run down my face. I hate having to clean up the residue of like too much glue because it leaves that ugly, nasty cast. I don't know if y'all can see a little bit of the resistance from my comb, but like, yeah, like look, that little spot getting white already because this baby does not play about how fast it dries down. Truth be told, because this is a closure, all I really care about keeping down anyways is just the middle part. So go ahead and grab that lace and let's pull her. You have to be careful because this is HD lace. And the last thing we need is for her to rip. Y'all, I don't know if y'all caught that, but y'all see how like, even with me just trying to adjust it, like baby, this spray does not play. Like if you gonna use this, you better use it and you better be quick. I'm gonna use the elastic band. Y'all know on this channel I normally use a scarf, but I tried it with the elastic band for the first time with this method, and yeah, the elastic band is it, you girls. So while I wait on like my lace to settle down into the skin, I want to talk to you guys about the claim. So for the description it says, melt your lace using Ebin's new Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, perfect for daily wig application, touching up an existing lace piece, strong enough to provide an all-day hold, but gentle enough to be removed at any time. It claims to be fast drying, which I already told y'all that it was. No residue or buildup. I didn't experience that the first time, and I had makeup on after I put the wig on and everything still came off perfect. And it says 10 times hold for lace. That's the only one that I feel like they might have gassed, because here's the thing, right? I still had my wig on when I came back from the game, but I was able to kind of like, you know, yoke it back a little bit. I will give the excuse of the fact that it did rain on me last Friday, so even still for it to still be holding on without me having to be in public like this, because y'all already know the embarrassment of when you can feel your wig slipping back and you out in a public setting. It's just not it. All right, I think this is enough time. Let me hold this because the last time this shit just shot across the room. All right, so this is the hold. I didn't tack the sides down good, so I'm not even gonna count that, but this is the hold on the wig, and it's safe to say we love it here. I'm gonna go ahead and like finish up my hair and do my makeup and everything off camera and all that good stuff, and then I will be back to close out the video for you guys. So see you guys in a few. All right, so this wraps it up, you guys. This is the final look, laying my wig with my Ebin's Wonder Lace Bond Spray. I told y'all that I may check back in at some point from my phone just to kind of show you guys how it's wearing and tearing throughout the day, but I did give y'all a little bit of how I felt about it. Like I said, I did get rained on the very first time that I used this spray, and I still had to actually take the wig off when I got home. So the spray does work very well. I only had it on for like 4 hours. Right now it is 12:37, so I have a full day ahead of me. And of course I'll be able to come back and give you guys a real honest all-day wear review, since it does claim to be 10 times the hold for lace. So girl, we'll see. We will see. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. All products listed, used, and mentioned will be linked down below in my description box as always. But until next time, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like, share, subscribe with this video, and I will see you all in my next one.